Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Xiaomi 12T, and now I'm gonna show you how to install and how to set up free VPN on this device. So firstly, let's see how websites see your location without VPN. To do it, open XIAOMI or similar website to check your location. For example, it's my IP, Poland. I'm in Poland, it's true. Or you can you can check your IP in Google. Just find in Google what's my IP, and Google will show you your IP address. But I suggest to use XIAOMI because it shows your country too. Okay, then open Play Store and find here Turbo VPN application or similar free application. I suggest to use Turbo VPN because it's simple and completely free. Of course, you can pay for additional functions, but you can use it without payments. So install it, click agree and continue. Wait a while, click on the cross in the left top corner, and great. Here you will see the glow button, available only for Android users. Only Android users can choose server to connect. For free, iOS users can connect to selected country only in premium subscription. Of course, you can subscribe to premium version to connect to fast VPN servers, but if you need VPN only to get access to blocked site, you can use this VPN to you can use free VPN to do it. So you can choose the country to connect to, or just click Smart Location and click on the caret on the center of your screen. Click OK, wait a while, click on the cross in the right top corner, and great, I'm in London, yeah, in the United Kingdom. So just check how XIAOMI see your location with VPN. As you can see, I have another VPN now, and I'm in United Kingdom. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.